What's going on, internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a super duper special and super duper big day. I got a lot of things to update you about on my race car because I know you guys have not seen the race car drive in a long freaking time. It's been a long time since I've even gotten to drive the race car. And I just feel really bad about it, so I'm finally gonna get to drive the race car today, but I am driving the race car for a very special project today, and I cannot wait to fill you guys in on that. But first things first, I did want to announce that I finally got a wheel sponsorship, which is so sick. I'm honestly so excited about the fact that I have a wheel company that I can finally work with, because as you guys know, I beat the crap out of my wheels, and they're constantly always cracked or broken, so I'm really excited that I finally got to team up with a wheel company today, and I found a wheel company that I actually like on the 350Zs that aren't 3-piece wheels, because 3-piece wheels are super expensive and I don't want to drift on them. So I'm really excited that I finally found another set of monoblocks that I actually like on the 350Z chassis, and they're not black. Oh my god, I'm so glad that I got away from black wheels. They just look like the car is like a hovercraft, just like floating in midair. So I'm really excited to actually have some colored wheels. I can't wait to show them to you guys and tell you guys what project I'm working on today. You cannot sit here and tell me that the car does not look 20,000 times better than it ever has. This is honestly amazing what a set of wheels can do. But okay, so I know that I told you guys that I had some even bigger news that I was going to share with you. I'm not just drifting my car today, I am working in my car, okay? This is weird for me. I spent the entire week obsessing over my car, making sure that it was ready for today, so I'm just crossing my fingers because we all know that the race car can have a little bit of an attitude. But the project that I'm gonna be working on today should be pretty cool. I've honestly always had this goal of having each one of my liveries in a music video or some sort of production, so that at least that's something that I can look back on and find very easily. Obviously, I can find my stuff on my own YouTube channel, but it's kind of cool to see my car and other people's stuff. Now, today, I'm not necessarily working on a music video, but it is something really cool, and it's kind of close to it, okay? We're working with a music artist. You guys may or may not have heard of her. Her name is Cardi B. I'm sorry, there's a car testing behind me, and I'm like trying my best to keep my focus, but I feel like I'm gonna get hit, so I just keep like looking behind me to make sure that he's not coming straight at me, even though he knows that I'm standing here. But excuse me if some of this information isn't 1000% correct. They have not released this series yet. They're literally shooting the first couple of episodes. Has not been released yet. This vlog is gonna have to come out at the same time as their video, if not after. So she is releasing a new series on her YouTube channel, I believe. It's gonna be called like Cardi Does It or something like that. And she's basically gonna be trying all of these different things, and something that she's going to be trying today is stunt driving or drifting. So my dad and I were actually contacted for this job because Michelle Rodriguez is also going to be here. Michelle Rodriguez is very familiar with my dad because he's worked on all the Fast and Furious movies since number 4. She's very familiar with him and all the rest of the stunt drivers that are on the cast and crew. So Michelle suggested that my dad and I teach Cardi B how to stunt drive and show her a little bit of drifting, from what I understand completely. We haven't actually started filming yet, so I'm just kind of giving you guys as much of a rundown as I have in my own head right now of what exactly is going to be happening today. I think that I'm going to be doing most of the driving because from what I understand, I'm going to be doubling Cardi B at one point in time in one of the cars, and then I'm going to be myself in another car, and then I'm also going to be myself while I teach her or Michelle how to either drift or stunt drive. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Like I said, this is all very new to me. I don't have a whole lot of information yet because we haven't actually started today, but I just wanted to film all of this before we get started, before I get too busy. So honestly, I'm going to try to carry you guys through this as much as I possibly can, but I think I'm going to be pretty busy today because from the sounds of it, my dad is mostly coordinating today and I'm mostly the stunt driver today. So I don't know if I'm doubling both Michelle and Cardi. I don't know if it's just Cardi. I don't know if I'm doubling anybody. I don't know if it's just me driving the car and they're gonna get in the passenger seat. I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to bring you guys along as much as I can. I'm gonna film what I'm allowed to film whatever I possibly can. And yeah, but obviously my main priority today is being a stunt driver here, so I have to make sure that I attain to that first before I attain to this. Okay, so that's the deal. I'm getting tired of talking, so I'm gonna go and put my car with the rest of the cars now and join the rest of the group, and then it's gonna be a great time. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'm gonna try to update you guys along the way. So welcome to today.
Hello, sir.
What's up, kiddo?
So, you're stunt coordinator today.
Hey.
What's going on? What are we doing?
I'm gonna show you the track.
Okay, cool.
This would be the start of the race. So you take off, boom. Take this crap off. Okay, so then you come around here, right? And then this turn is very hard. So and you gotta think about the turn way out here, come way out here, and look how tight this is.
Oh my gosh, holy crap.
Right? You saw that?
Yeah.
You gotta pinpoint that if you're not gonna slide it. Right, then we come around here. Then there's gonna be a storefront here. Okay, of course the back end would slide if you stay in the gas, which is not a problem, but as Cardi B, you will be whatever. And then you come up here, and then the next thing is the right. So that'll be closed so you don't make a mistake. Then you come down here,
okay.
And then this is your finish line.
Okay.
Your finish line will have arches here.
Okay.
Right? Boom, hooray, it's the finish. Okay, so we're doing, go that way. Keep going, right.
Inside?
Go to the right. And then you're gonna go straight through here. And we're making a left. Give you so you have a you're coming in between here, and now we're making a right around there, on there, right? Then you go back through there and do another one. You get it?
Figure it out.
Okay, go ahead.
What happened to you?
I got smoked out.
You got smoked out, and what are you doing?
I tapped the barrier with the right on the edge of the quarter panel.
Doesn't look that bad.
No,
And you're missing some paint right here.
Not bad.
Oh, it's actually a whole piece of your fender's actually missing, but zip ties will fix it. No, zip ties can't
Well, I
fix
just got to get this back a little bit so I can get this clip on here.
Uh-huh.
There you go. There you go.
Ah, good as new.
There you go.
Welcome to the life of drift kids, Father. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging.
You didn't give me. I'm under the daggone car, you freaking fruitcake.
First of all, the car feels fantastic. I have not driven this car since July, the beginning of July, and we're literally in mid-November right now, so it's been a long time for me, well over 4 months for me of driving this car anywhere further than around the block to make sure that there's nothing wrong with it or trying to diagnose what's wrong with it. But the car feels really good. I have a lot of different changes in the car. My seating position is in a little bit different of a place than it used to be. I'm a little bit higher up. That was my fault when I was mounting the seats in the car. I just was rushing and wasn't paying attention. I have 9.5s in the front, 10.5s in the rear, and usually I used to run 9.75 setup all the way around. So yeah, it's weird for me. I've got new seats in the car, and it's just a new experience all the way around, but I'm having a lot of fun. Something that I did notice is that I really like the 10.5s in the rear on the 350Z. Unfortunately, with the demo car, it's going to make it a little bit harder to carry my wheels to and from the track independently, because 10.5s are obviously going to be harder to fit inside the car than the 9.75. So I'm trying to decide if I want 9.5s on the demo car or if I want 10.5s on the demo car. I'm not really sure, but I'm getting off track here. Something that I did notice about the 10.5s though is that my tread wear is more even than it ever has been. My dad pointed it out when we swapped tires from one side to the other because we're doing the same direction the whole time. So we switched our tires out earlier just to make sure that we have a little bit more even tread wear and that our tires last a little bit longer so that we can keep shooting. But my tread wear was so even, and these tires are used. They're used. So I'm feeling really good. I feel fantastic. This race suit is honestly like one size too small. I'm gonna have to swap it out. I can't wait to put my other race suit on. Oh, gosh, I'm dying, but I'm having a good time. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of the tread wear. This is the passenger side rear. I will say I was struggling a little bit with my car while we were doing that specific course, just because that course was really tight and slower speed. We were only in second gear, so it's a little bit slower than I'm used to going, and I was just struggling with the turbo lag a little tiny bit. It wasn't like hard for me to do it. I just had to clutch kick a lot, so my car had to work harder. I had to work a little bit harder, but it was fun. The car feels fantastic. Like I said, I haven't driven the car in months. I could hear my dad behind me was literally just like pinned and like waiting for me and waiting while I was like trying to lose traction again. But I actually led him into one of these barriers and he broke his back bumper. I think I went a little bit wider than I was the run before, so I don't think that he was paying attention and he just kind of hit the barrier, but it's all good. His car's back together now with zip ties like we do as the drift kids, and whew, my car feels so good and it looks amazing. Wow! Diff literally looks like it's about to fall out of that car. Okay, so my dad just gave Michelle a little bit of a runaround of the car, what to do in the car and everything, and now I think that Michelle is going to try her own hand at doing donuts and burnouts and stuff. I'm kind of excited. It's like Letty in real life. So now my dad is taking Michelle in his car because the Nova was about to break, so we're getting in his car right now, and he's going to teach her how to drive stick in his car and teach her how to do donuts in it too.
Hey, so right now we're getting ready for Rodrigo's over here to Giddy Busy with the cars.
She's driving your car.
Yeah, she's driving my car. She's been beating on it all day.
Are you excited?
Yep, I'm excited.
How weird does this feel right now?
Beat on my car some more. Oh yeah, it's getting low, ain't it?
He's running low on gas.
Low on gas. She's been sucking all the gas up today.
You're the rookie. She's not the rookie.
Uh-oh, watch out.
Have fun.
Okay, you guys ready?
That's so awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's great. I love this. Okay, let's see what she does next. Aw. That's the second time she stalled it, but it's okay. She figures it out and then she's good to go after she figures it out. Alright you guys, so at this point in the day, it looks like we're about to start working with Michelle and Cardi. So if you guys have made it this far, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you do all the internet things below the YouTubers tell you to do. I'm going to try my best to make 2 videos out of today, okay? I'm going to try to do a video with Michelle and Cardi B, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have permission to do that or not. So at this point, I'm just going to wrap this video up here. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you click all of the internet things below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!